Dogelon Mars cost gauge proposes a chance of elon exchanging between $0.16 to $2 in 2025 in an in every practical sense significant way. The cost of one elon would reach as high as $1.16 US by 2030. The negative cost expectation for Dogelon Mars elon in 2040 certainly is $12, with a kind of likely by and large high of $69.65. In a bullish situation, Dogelon Mars could especially outperform the $132 mark for 2050, displaying sort of expected vertical energy in a significant manner. With the extremely current cost of $16, Dogelon Mars holds its ground on the lookout, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Starting around 25 February 2024, Dogelon Mars most certainly is exchanging at $2016 in terms of its worst rate with the value change of 22% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Elon truly has a really all-out market cap of $88,901,750 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,579,871. This truly makes Dogelon Mars elon lovely positioning at 434 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogelon Mars explicitly be in every way that really matters, worth in 2024 in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Dogelon Mars a very wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024 in a by and large enormous manner? Will elon cost essentially outperform its untouched in every practical sense, high in an unpretentious way? These basically are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for elon's future. Dogelon Mars elon value expectation 2024 as per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the elon cost fundamentally is supposed to commonly cross a truly normal value level of $10 into one, the normal least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the especially current year ought to be $2 or so they most certainly thought. Besides, elon can sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $9,004 in a genuinely significant manner. Elon value estimate February 2024. The Dogelon Mars gauge for February 2024 expects that the elon may for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $16 with an essentially least cost of around $14 in a genuinely large manner. Discussing the for the most part normal value elon can really stretch around $15 for February, which is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars elon value conjecture walk 2024. The Dogelon Mars elon cost for walk 2024 may arrive at a kind of least worth of $9.15, while the very most extreme gauge cost in every practical sense is around $16, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The sort of typical cost for elon in every way that really matters is certainly anticipated to especially reach $2016 in walk 2024, which generally is genuinely critical. Elon value figure April 2024. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for April 2024 expects that the elon may basically arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $9.17 with a sort of least cost of around $9.16 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the extremely normal value elon can generally stretch around $9.17 for April, which generally is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars elon value gauge May 2024. The Dogelon Mars elon value for May 2024 may in every practical sense arrive at a truly least worth of $16, while the especially greatest determined cost is around $18 in a for the most part significant manner. The kind of typical cost for elon certainly is basically anticipated to reach $1017 in May 2024, showing how the typical cost for elon in every practical sense is truly anticipated to sort of reach $1016 in walk 2024 in a truly significant way. Dogelon Mars elon value figure June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars especially is explicitly anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $17, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $9.18 and an extremely least of $9.17, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars value estimate July 2024. The exceptionally normal cost of Dogelon Mars elon could in a real sense go to $9.18 toward the finish of July 2024, which generally is very huge. Elon could generally be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $9,009 with the especially least expected cost of $9,017 in a kind of significant manner. Dogelon Mars Value Conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars generally is supposed to generally be at around an exceptionally least of $18 in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars cost can explicitly arrive at a by and large limit of $9 with the kind of typical cost of $9,018 in est. Dogelon Mars Elon Value Figure September 2024. The Dogelon Mars Elon cost for September 2024 may really arrive at any rate worth of $9,018, while the exceptionally most extreme estimated cost explicitly is around $1,001, showing how besides Elon can fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest value level of $4 in an unpretentious manner. The in every way that really matters normal cost for Elon in a real sense is especially anticipated to essentially reach $9 in September 2024 in a significant way. Elon Value Conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars truly is determined to, in a real sense, be at around an especially least worth of $9, which, all things considered, is very huge. The Dogelon Mars value worth can, in a real sense, arrive at a limit of $1022 with a very normal exchanging worth of $9 in USD in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars Elon Value Expectation November 2024. The cost for Dogelon Mars in November 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $9 and $3 in a significant manner, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $2. Elon Value Gauge December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Dogelon Mars is supposed to in a real sense arrive at an especially least value worth of $2, or so they especially thought. The Elon cost could arrive at an, in every practical sense, most extreme cost of $4 with a sort of typical cost around $1 in an especially enormous manner. Dogelon Mars especially passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been, especially diminished by 23% in its in every way that really matters current worth in a genuinely significant way. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the especially current market cap of the Elon with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in a truly significant manner. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Elon certainly was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 21%, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars for the most part has shown extremely areas of strength for lovely recently, and this could be fundamentally great chance to dive right